Hey guys, quick video showing you how to use the ipconfig command in the Windows command prompt. The ipconfig command displays and allows you to change information about your networking configuration. So let's go ahead and run the command ipconfig and press enter and take a look at the output. You'll see here it shows us an Ethernet adapter, a IP version 6 address that's been assigned to it, as well as some other temporary addresses, an IP version 4 address, in this case 192.168.0.108, the subnet mask that helps us identify other computers on the same network, which happens to be 255.255.255.0, and lastly, the default gateway, 192.168.0.1, which tells us where to send our messages to when they're leaving our local network. Now there's a variation of the ipconfig command that you can run that will show you all the adapters on your computer, and that's ipconfig /all. In this case, you'll see that it has more information about the host, such as the host name. It also has more detailed information about the Ethernet adapter you have. In the event that you had other adapters, such as a Wi-Fi adapter or a virtual adapter, you would see those listed in their own sections here. One of the things we can see that's especially interesting about our Ethernet adapter is that the lease was obtained at 11:55 on the 15th, and it expires on January 22nd at about 1:30 in the afternoon. So you see, you get additional information beyond the basic information that's displayed up here. In the event we would like to renew our IP address or release our IP address, we can use the ipconfig command to do that too. For example, ipconfig/renew would renew our configuration. And you see that that comes back after a moment. In this case, I'm assigned the same IP address because this computer at my home is assigned that one statically by the DHCP server. Okay, guys, this has been just a quick introduction of how to use the ipconfig command to display information about your computer's network configuration.